At AST, it is our mission to enhance the efficiency, productivity, and safety of flexible aseptic manufacturing for the worldwide life science industry. You will see throughout AST that we do that by offering innovative products, services, and solutions. AST has a really rich history. We have over 50 years of experience designing, manufacturing, and servicing innovative, high-quality, and highly automated processing equipment. Beginning in 2006, AST leveraged our experience and close customer relationships to revolutionize the aseptic fill-finish industry with the launch of the AseptiCell development. Using robotics and advanced automation, the AseptiCell became the industry's first aseptic multi-format fill-finish machine capable of processing ready-to-use nested vials, cartridges, and syringes on the same line. Today, AST is proud to offer our customers a range of products and services to support their drug product development, clinical, and commercial fill-finish requirements. AST's vision is to become the most valued partner to our customers, colleagues, business associates, investors, and the communities where we work and live. We will do that by providing innovative products, services, and solutions with an exceptional customer experience.